Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. If you're new, hi, I'm OLESYA KWITE. Welcome to our channel, and today's video is gonna be very interesting and creative, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you want, guys, if not, please write in comments below a reason why you don't want to do it, and I hope that I can make this channel more interesting, more helpful and more amazing for you guys. And let's get started this video. Today's video is gonna be very creative. As I said before, today I'm gonna try body painting. I hope that I can draw something on my leg or on my arm, but I think that I can do it on my leg because it's a bit easier. And yep guys, let's go to my room because there I have a lot of space and I can see it normally and I can draw, and I hope that, and not I hope, I'm sure that I'm gonna do it on the floor because I'm afraid that I can, I don't know, brush something. And yeah, forget to tell you that I have usual paints. I don't have special for body, so I'm a bit afraid because I have allergy. Not to paint, but maybe I can have it, so I don't know, but I hope that everything gonna be okay. And let's go to my room. Okay guys, I have everything that I need there. There are a lot of paints. I have this kind of paints, usual, not acrylic. I don't know what I have, this one, because I think that I will not mix any colors, and I have my brushes. So let's start. I think I decided that I'm gonna draw, oh my gosh, there. Yeah, I'm gonna draw maybe sunflower. below if you want new videos, and want to tell you that in August there are gonna be different back to school videos, but I gonna upload videos 2 times a week, not 3 times. I'm not sure with the timetable, so in the first video of series back to school videos, I gonna tell you about my timetable. And yes guys, result of my drawing on my leg, you can see there. It's really beautiful, and I hope that you liked it, and don't forget to try it too, because it's really interesting and it looks so pretty, like Visco Girl, like, yeah, hashtag Visco Girl, that's true. And I love you very much, and see you in the next videos. Bye.